Hey everyone, today I'm very excited to introduce you to our lineup of EU interfaces. We recently unveiled these models at ISE in Barcelona, and they're specifically designed for European installations. First, we have the EU BTN21 wall-mounted Bluetooth audio Dante network interface. It provides a Bluetooth audio input for Dante or AES67 networks and transmits stereo audio or sums to mono, which feeds two network channels. Next is the EU RN20 wall-mounted mic line input Dante interface. It converts mic or line level audio signals to two Dante channels. The two XLR inputs can be configured in software for either mic or line operation. The EU RN2ML wall-mounted mic line Dante interface converts audio signals into two Dante channels and has one XLR input that can be configured for mic or line operation. The second input is a line level mini jack, which sums stereo signals to mono and has software selectable input gain. The EU RN02M wall-mounted mic output Dante interface converts two Dante network signals to two balanced mic level outputs on XLR. Each output includes a software-controlled attenuator for precise level adjustment. And last but not least, the EU RN02L wall-mounted line output Dante interface converts two Dante network signals to two balanced line level outputs on XLR jacks. All the XLR inputs on these units include RDL studio quality mic preamplifiers, have software selectable input gain, and 48-volt phantom power for powering condenser microphones. These units blend European aesthetics with RDL signature reliability. With low operating temperatures and exceptional audio performance, they're built to deliver rock-solid performance and years of dependable service that you can trust. For more information, visit us at rdlnet.com.